Change is part of life. SIS is the architectural lighting system that builds flexibility into any space. Design a line that plays with architecture. Fine-tune uniformity, distribution, and accent. It's okay to be unsure. Explore perception. Rehearse in place and test visual comfort. With repositionable tool-free modules on a safe 48-volt track. Transform, don't resist. You will find new solutions. SIS is optical technology at its best. Product longevity protects our planet. Click into a better solution from OM. SIS, the architectural lighting system.